Good morning and welcome to our very first day riding to New York for Babe's Ride Out. We're in my kitchen. Captain Anna's here. We're eating some breakfast and we are getting ready to hit the road on this very dreary, rainy Ohio day. So let's get a good breakfast going and start packing. Look at how beautiful and wet everything is. So we're gonna go ahead and push the bikes out, do our final pre-check, and then go get gas. Here they are. All right, we're officially gearing up and ready to hit the road. Babe's Ride Out 2021, let's go! Alright guys, woo, we just got to our first stop, first 100 miles down. Well, actually it was like 99 miles. Got to our first gas stop. Anna's got to put on a hoodie because it's cold. Yeah, this rain is no joke. So I don't know if I said it in this video. This is Anna's very first long distance motorcycle trip. And of course it's up in Ohio and of course it's in the pouring rain. So 100 miles in, how are you feeling? We forgot to get the before.
Feeling great.
Feeling great. Feeling great, baby. Bikes are looking good. Oh yeah, your seat's soaked. That's probably what it is. I don't think your butt's actually wet. Doing good. All right, let's gas up and hit the road again. How's that poncho treating you?
I think it helps a
Yeah,
little bit.
anything helps at this point.
Every stop we've made, I've put on like 2 more layers at each stop.
It's kind of cold, man. Like this rain and the weather, it's kind of cold, but we are at the 3rd stop, filling up, and we're gonna take a break, but then we're gonna hop back on the road. So let's take a quick break. Well, we just got to our last gas stop. We have about an hour left until we get to our hotel tonight. So we're gonna go ahead and fuel up and hurry up and get to the hotel. We made it! Woo. Not too shabby.
Not bad at all.
All right, let's go check into our hotel. All right guys, we made it to our hotel and check it out. My little bellhop here, got our matching helmets, and my leather pros just come right off the bike. So got all my stuff.
Pretty cool.
We're tired, we're almost dry, but we need a drink. So let's go. This is a pretty nice hotel room. Got a nice view. And we got the bikes parked right there. So if I haven't explained it already, this is the Thursday before the Friday that Babes Ride Out opens up. So the campgrounds for Babes Ride Out opens at 11 a.m. And that is a 10-hour ride one way from where I'm at in Ohio. So I didn't want to be completely dead and exhausted the first day for Babes Ride Out. So I typically ride out about 9 of the 10 hours and then stop and stay in a hotel overnight, which works out great for us because we got caught in the rain all day today. So we have a washer and dryer. We're gonna have breakfast in the morning and we can walk over to this little restaurant right across the street, have some dinner and a nice beer. So that's our room. All right, so we walked across the street to order food to go for dinner, and then it's gonna take like 25 minutes. So we also bought a 6-pack, but we also went to the bar to wait for our food to go.
We're also waiting on our laundry.
And we're also waiting on laundry. It's just a waiting game. But we got these bad boys. Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Cheers. I can't do that. Well, dinner time. Kids meal chicken fingers, buffalo fries, and some easy drinking. Made it back to the hotel, ate our food, and now having a couple drinks by this lovely fire. This is nice. So we are going to sit out here, relax for a little bit longer, and then go upstairs, get a really good night's sleep, wake up tomorrow, obviously have a really great cup of coffee, and head over to Babes Ride Out. Good night. Good morning, and welcome to the first official day of Babes Ride Out East Coast. Good morning, Anna.
Good morning.
We just woke up. It's 6:57 in the morning. We've actually been up for a little while, but the hotel breakfast isn't the best and the coffee is atrocious. So we're gonna hop on our motorcycles and ride to Starbucks. On the plus side, this hotel has the air conditioning down here, right there. And our boots sat on top of it all night. So my boots are like pretty much 80% dry. I can dig it. All right, let's get coffee and get this day started. So fun fact, that is our hotel right there. There's Starbucks, but we rode here because there's like a mountain off the drop of this. Yeet! I'm so ready. My body is ready. Yes. Hello. Thank you.
What'd you get? Your usual?
All right, guys, we officially got the bikes loaded up and we're ready to head over to Babes Ride Out. We got about an hour's ride today and hopefully it's gonna be dry. How you feeling, Anna?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Feeling pretty good.
Same.
Refreshed. We had some coffee this morning. It was like a restful night.
The beds were super comfortable, so I liked that. Cool. All right, let's hit the road. All right, guys, we're officially on the road. I was having some issues with my Senna. We rode through about 300 miles worth of rain yesterday, and Sennas are not 100% waterproof, so I've been having some serious issues with mine. But we're officially on the road. We have about 54 minutes until we get to Babes Ride Out. Hopefully the rain holds out until then. It looks like it's going to, but I think we're gonna have some pretty severe thunderstorms today, so that's gonna make for quite the adventure. Anna behind me, you know, Anna's from Florida. I don't know if I forgot to mention this. Anna and I became friends because of Blockhead, so you've probably seen Captain Anna on Blockhead's channel quite a few times. And she flew up to Ohio to go to Babes Ride Out, and we're genuinely having such a good time. So she's in Florida where it's flat and hot all the time. So being able to like see, you know, lush greenery and rolling hills, these are essentially like very small mountains up here in Pennsylvania. So she said that it's just been absolutely beautiful to see this kind of scenery. And when it's not raining, I would have to agree, this is gorgeous. So we're going to enjoy this little cruise for the remaining hour of our official trip to Babes Ride Out. And then get to camp and hopefully get camp all set up before these thunderstorms today. Let's hope that they're scattered and they miss us. Hope you guys are enjoying this trip. I sure as know I am. Campground, rolling in now. All right, so this is the check-in process. All of these ladies in the vests are volunteers and they are checking our IDs to make sure that we have a ticket. This is a private event. They sold out of tickets this year, so it's very important to make sure nobody sneaks in. Yeah, what's up, girl? Yeah, dude, here. Here you go, girl. What's your name?
My name's Renee. I watch on Motovlog. I just seen you on Shade Tree Surgeon's page.
Yes!
You were preparing with Mac for this ride.
Yes! Woo! Yes! Sorry, I can pull that back if you. Ready? We made it to the campground. For the night. Not too bad, not too bad. What is this hair doing? It is humid. Oh my God. So, if you can't tell, struggle busing a little bit, trying to make sure we get camp all set up. But let's go show you the digs. So I got big old sissy bar bag behind me. Anna's pumping up her air mattress. We got the beautiful Delaware River just over that ledge. And our setup. We are going to be hearing ladies rolling in all day. We got camp all set up here. There's Anna's little tent. We have a nice little shelter just in case of inclement weather. And then my tent. Then over here, we have the beautiful Delaware River. But yeah, got camp all set up. So it is time to officially start this trip. But unfortunately, this is the end of this video. So if you guys are interested in seeing what goes on at Babes Ride Out, stay tuned for the next one. Huge shout out to Anna, Captain Anna, for flying up here and riding with me from Ohio to New York on a bike that she had no idea. Like, she's ridden it once, she just hopped on, rode 500 miles, so.
Thanks, Harley.
Thanks, Harley. Awesome, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, you be good, and I will see you later.